Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber.
Wednesday, July 27th, 4:59 p.m. U.S. stock markets close and the futures market about to close in 1 minute. So we're halfway through the week and we're in the last week of the month. So I'm going to go over some commodities. We'll look at the weekly and monthly. The chart on the left will be the weekly and the chart on the right will be the monthly. So let's start off with looking at energy. Crude oil. On the weekly, look at crude oil, inside candle, prior week inside candle. On the weekly, it's building a wedge. Yep, a wedge. Let's not forget commodities are priced in US dollars. So the price of the US dollar typically has a effect on the commodity. So US dollar goes higher, typically you see commodities go lower. There we go, it's building a wedge, and that wedge building a coil. Down here is a key demand zone. Buyers, up here supply zone, sellers. Let's go to the higher time frame, the monthly, because we're almost done with the month. Look at the monthly here. That was a swing low, yellow horizontal line. We tested it and went above it. Let's remove that swing low. That's good. Demand zone, excuse me. So we rejected that demand zone. We didn't close below it so far. Buyers. So it's showing buyers are stepping in here. Are you bullish, crude oil? Well, the charts are showing some bullish buys occurring. So you might consider to look for some bullish entries. Let's go on to the next commodity. Gold. The weekly already made a reversal. Here we have a demand zone, buyers. Nice green candle with a long wick on the bottom. Rejected that swing low, that yellow horizontal line, and reversed. So now the momentum's going the upside for the past 2 weeks. Midpoint, big weekly. Let's look at the monthly. Yeah, monthly, same thing. Demand zone, buyers went down, tested, rejected it. Bullish. Bullish. Nice. Let's go look at some other commodities. Again, we'll stick with the weekly. Let's look at some of the other energy first. Natural gas. Big difference on the weekly. Natural gas already trending up, forming a bearish pin bar up here. Did take out that swing high, overextended. I would not be buying natural gas up there, overextended. First, crude oil, we already see on the weekly, building that wedge. But back here on natural gas, all-time new high for the year. Let's put it up on a monthly. Wow, huge trading range. Yep, so again, I'm not looking to buy crude oil, natural gas up here, no. But nice demand zone down there. Nor would I be looking to go short natural gas. No, I'll be sitting on the sideline for natural gas, be more interested in looking to pick up crude oil. Let's go to another commodity. Let's look at the metals. We're ready to go, so let's look at some of the other ones. Silver. on the weekly. Nice reversal. It's a consolidation down here, but already making higher lows. So that red was the low, yellow, inside bar, higher low, green, higher low. So the trend is going up. Good. And it's got a nice demand zone down in there. Let's put this on a monthly. We already know gold is looking good on the monthly and the weekly. And here we go, looking on the monthly on silver. Same thing. Ran down to a supply demand zone. Buyer stepped in. We don't have a trend reversal yet. When we look here on gold on the monthly too. Nope, we don't have a trend reversal yet, but we did reject that demand zone. That's showing good. Let's look at the next metal, platinum. Consolidation, trend reversal already. Nice. Let's put this on the monthly. Yep, same thing. A lot of these monthlies you see are near the bottom, the long tails on the bottom, and into a demand zone. Nice. So we certainly have buyers stepping in at these metals. Staying with the crude oil. So copper, look at that trend reversal. Put it on a monthly. Yep, same thing. That was a supply zone. Buyer stepped in, buying it. Nice. Let's go look at the other commodities. Agricultural. Look at the grains. Corn, inside candle for the week. And that's interesting because you had this impulse move down, but you don't have the follow through. No, it's a higher low. So yeah, it's building a wedge. See if it's going to break out to the upside or downside. If it doesn't happen this week, I watch that closely. Let's take this to the monthly time frame. Interesting. Yep. Bunch of buyers stepping in here. Nice. Wheat. Tight consolidation here. Again, inside candle. A lot of inside candles we're seeing on the weeklies. Interesting. Let's put this on the monthly. Oops. Change the time frame to monthly. There we go. Wow. So on the monthly, we broke below and currently trading below that midpoint. Let's update this, which is very interesting. So we'll have to wait till the end of the month to see if it's going to close or where it closes from there to certainly to know. Yep. So this would tell a lot. At the end of the month, when this closes, depending what color this candle closes and what level it closes at, will determine if the trend is still for the downside. And that's a week. That's interesting there. But again, this has been a demand zone on passing the buyers, and that's what's stepping in there now. Soybean, building a tight consolidation here. And look at that, already doing a reversal. Nice. Some of this is because the US dollar has declined. Let's look at the monthly here. Again, commodities price in dollars. And yep, during the week, we broke below this midpoint, just shy of touching this midpoint and turned around. Wow. So a lot of buyers had standing orders in and they jumped in. They liked the price action. So they certainly went in at the lows. Okay. Now we'll look at live cattle on the weekly. That's interesting. Yeah. Right here is the supply zone, sellers, and it's already rejecting that currently. Small trading range too. Interesting. Yeah. We'll see how that goes. But overall, it's an acceleration. So trend up, acceleration, building momentum to go higher. Let's put this on a monthly, the live cattle. Yeah, right there at a key level. Key level. Right here. This yellow horizontal line has often been a key level. So if it closes above that, and again, supply zone, demand zone, if it closes above that key level, expect the trend to go higher up to here. That's live cattle. Feeder cattle. Nope, we're at the high, overextended, inside candle. Let's put this on the monthly. Almost done. There we go. Break through that midpoint. Nice. Oof. Had this consolidation break up multiple months going higher, higher. And already broke above midpoint right here from years ago. Wow. Trend strong like bull. Lean hog also broke out his consolidation coming into a supply zone. Let's put this on the monthly. Yeah, the trend's up. Very nice. And we're just finished this off by looking at one thing, which would be the US dollar. So we can see how that's pricing out. First, commodities are priced in the US dollar. For the week, US dollar's inside candle, prior week red. So the trend is reverse declining. I am short right now the US dollar. I'm actually in a bearish ETF of US dollar. So as the US dollar declines, my bearish ETF dollar goes higher. Yep. So we have these little wicks down there. We'll see how that closes for the end of the week. But again, the current highs are lower lows trending down. Let's look at the the monthly. There we go with the monthly. Let's open this even further back. Wow. Supply zone right in there with those yellow horizontal lines for the swing points. Went right into both of them and rejected them. That's good. Good for me because I'm bearish and I already been bearish. So as this decline, that benefits me. Nice. Okay, many thanks for watching.